Okay. Anyone can tell me what's the phone number? What's the phone number for your personal, individual, federal income tax?
1040.
I try to be on the same case. I know some of you know more. Somebody of you probably know rarely. Okay. So hopefully everybody know about 1040, right? 1040. That is a number tax net for your individual federal income tax. Okay. And well, I always think the smartest people in the world, they work for IRS. I do think that still, right now, even right now, I still think so. Okay. Very, very smart. And IRC, Internal Revenue Code, may be the most complex law in the whole world. Maybe. Which may be true, okay? Because I spent like 2 years at the law school, just studying taxation. And I just studied a little bit. And the whole IRC is like 2 books, like this. Double size of the phone book, okay? I'm not talking about the regulations like this. Only talk about the law, okay? More than 10,000 sections, okay? In 2 big, like a phone book like this, double size, okay? And the people who work for IRS can reduce so complex, okay, to only 2 pages. Only 2 pages. Of course, okay, when you file your tax return, you have so many, scheduling, attached to it, right? However, they can reduce the whole thing, just 2 pages. So eventually, for this whole semester, we only learn 2 pages. We just learn. So 2 pages probably include a lot. So that's why I think those people are so talented, so smart, so smart. We're gonna spend the majority time of this semester on the individual. Anybody in this classroom, you have your own corporation, you run your own business? One. So can anybody tell me if you had corporation, what number of tax form you use for corporation?
$10.99.
Later on.
Oh, okay.
Good try.
Thank you.
I invited. 1020. 1020. I don't know any reason why. Okay. 1040, 1020. And furthermore, there are 2 types of corporation for tax purposes. Anybody can tell me what are those 2 types of corporation for tax purposes? Anybody? Raise your hand.
C corp, S corp.
Yes. Okay. And anybody know what's the major difference between C and S for tax? What's the major difference between C corp and S corp? Some people say S corp is small, but that's the way to memorize. S corporations are really small. Though it's small, but S corporation is under the tax code. S subchapter. Okay. So you thought S corporation is small, it's okay. So let me repeat my questions. For tax purposes, what's the major difference between C corp and S corp? Yes. The answer is, the major difference is C corp is a regular corporation, it's double tax. That means for your corporation, you file 1020. not only file the 1020, you pay corporate income tax there already. Okay? Then eventually, for those of you that took my financial accounting, probably got that kind of idea. After you pay, your corporation pay tax, after tax, maybe your company decide to pay dividend to shareholder. And when individual or any shareholder receive the dividend, at that level, pay another income tax again. So you got it? Got the idea? So for tax purposes, the major difference between C Corp and S Corp is C Corp, not C Corp, C Corp pay is on corporate income tax. And S Corporation only file tax return, and different number is 1020X. Form 1020X. Very, very similar to Form 1020. However, the major difference is S Corporation only file tax return. However, S Corporation by itself does not pay corporate income tax. And whatever gain or loss, income or loss, fall through to its shareholder. So S Corporation by itself, no corporation income tax. So whatever the income or loss fall through to its shareholder. And we will tell you how to do it later on. So far okay? So okay. Yes?
Question for S Corp, do you have to give 1099 or not?
Okay. Okay. We have two people mentioned 1099 already, okay? So I think that is a very popular topic, even though 1099 is not a major topic for today.